Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'll show you a powerful free tool that lets you update your software and system drivers to help keep your PC running at its best. Let's get started. Open your web browser and search for Kudu GitHub. From the search results, click on the official GitHub page. Once the page loads, download the latest .exe release. After the download is complete, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install the application. Congratulations! The program is now installed. The application offers many useful features, but in this video we'll focus on software updates and driver updates. On the left-hand menu, click Software. You'll immediately see a list of available software updates. You can either update everything at once or choose individual applications to update. Let me show you. As you can see, the selected application has now been updated successfully. Next, click Drivers. Click Scan to check for available driver updates. In my case, the scan shows that no driver updates are available because I updated all my drivers before recording this video. A quick note, although this application is generally considered safe, it's always a good practice to scan any downloaded file with your antivirus software before installing it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful PC tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.